Licensing and regulations. Licensing. In the United States, freight brokers must obtain a license from the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration, FMCSA. This includes obtaining a US.DOT number and a broker authority. Bonding. They must also secure a freight broker bond, BMC 84, or trust fund agreement, BMC 85, to ensure they can pay carriers and shippers in case of financial disputes. Insurance. While not always mandatory, having liability insurance is recommended to protect against potential claims and damages. Example scenario. A company in New York needs to ship electronics to a retailer in California. The company contacts a freight broker. The broker finds a trucking company with available capacity to transport the electronics. The broker negotiates the rate, arranges the pickup, and ensures all necessary paperwork is completed. During transit, the broker tracks the shipment and provides updates to the company. If any issues arise, such as delays or route changes, the broker handles them. Once the shipment is delivered, the broker facilitates payment between the shipper and the carrier. If this clip got your gears turning, then you're going to love the full video on our channel, 10 minutes for supply chain, links in the description below. Don't miss it. Give this video a big thumbs up, drop a comment to share your thoughts, and don't forget to share it with your team. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon for weekly breakdowns of the global supply chain. Join membership button, become a member for exclusive content, early access, and global logistics insights. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay informed, stay ahead, and always supply smart.